Morning everybody, welcome to our first online assembly message for Monday the 20th of April. Welcome back to the start of the week. We're now in our third full week of working remotely, and I want to thank you for sticking with what is a really difficult way of completing schoolwork. Some of your teachers are reporting to me about the amazing work that you've done and how you're interacting with what is being provided. We're really proud of you for the way that you're doing this. On Friday afternoon, I sent out some information to you through your email and through your parents and carers email about using ePraise. This information was written by Mr. Graham, and it gives you some really simple guidance on how to attempt your work and what you need to do. Remember, we want you to be starting work at 9 a.m. every day and beginning that first lesson on your timetable, that first lesson of work. Once that hour is up for that work, you can stop, you can move on and start the next bit. Please don't spend hours on that first section and then find yourself behind and worrying about what you've done. By attempting the work and by sticking to your timetable, then you are doing the best you can, and that's all we ask of you. Finally, let me thank you for what you've done in terms of social distancing and staying away from friends when the weather's been really nice and the temptation's been there to go out. You've done a tremendous thing to help your community, help your families, to stay safe, and also to support the NHS in the local area. So well done. Okay, I'll sign off now and I'll let you get on with what you need to do. Have a good day, have a good week, and I'll speak to you again next Monday. Thank you. Bye-bye.